Okay, so this is really my very popular double cut pork chop with caramelized sweet potatoes.
Okay. I mean,
Look at the sear of that.
Look at that pork chop. That is beautiful. I can't
Okay.
get this at home. That even color on every pork chop.
The caramelization is very, very important. It's just like the caramelization of the sweet potatoes, right? Sugar, butter, and blanched sweet potatoes.
Yum.
That's sticky.
That is sticky.
We're gonna make a little tamarind glaze right now.
Okay.
We have honey. We have molasses that is used in a lot of South American cuisine. Tamarind paste. Tomato product, ketchup, little water. And of course, I love garlic, so garlic. Like you said, very sticky.
Very sticky, which makes me a little nervous.
Right.
Because that's another thing I stay away from because I don't want to mess up my pan.
Well, you don't have to worry about that with Forever pans. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take our fresh herb and sort of flavor. So now I'm gonna baste.
And all that sticky stuff just went into the bottom of that pan. Look at that, Chef. Our 10-inch fry pan and our 11-inch fry pan. These are just 2 pans in the set. There's so much more.
You're so right. And we're gonna take the pork chop, save room for the shallots.
That is a beautiful pork chop.
So now we're gonna take all of this goodness. There's your sticky stuff.
That's not sticking.
Look at that. So we're just gonna take it. All of that sugar, honey, molasses, all of that stickiness. Check that out.
Wow.
Super clean, super durable.
They're so good.
These are the pans that you want in your kitchen forever.